Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Todoist Chrome extension easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for Todoist extension. Click on it, then click on Add to Chrome, then Add extension. After installing, click the Todoist icon at the top right corner. Mark it as pin. Now sign in to your Todoist account. Click on the extension. Here you will see continue in a new tab. Then firstly log in or sign in using with Google or Facebook. Here you will see I will log in successfully with my Google account. Now here you will see Todoist can help you organize the everyday. It will show you then click on let's go. If you want to upload your photo you can, like for myself. How do you currently manage tasks? You can skip or connect, then skip. Now click on add task. Then here you will schedule a task like create business page, anything you can create. Then select the date and time like tomorrow. If any attachment you can attach it. Select as priority 1. Reminders, click on reminder, then got it. Then add task. Now tomorrow it will be highlight you this task. When the task is done, you can just simply click on the tick button. It will be completed successfully. Also, you can check today or upcoming task. Here you will see. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Todoist Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.